Good morning student, standard 7th. See, last period we are studied about the HCF. Now we are going to study about LCM. HCF methods finding we are studied factorization method and even division method also I explain you. Now least common LCM. LCM means it is what? Least common multiple. The word least, what is the meaning? Least means the smallest. Smallest common multiple. Smallest common multiple, it is called LCM that you have to find. Now suppose simple number I taken 6 and suppose 7 taken and you have to find a LCM. Means now here multiples means I have to write the multiples of 6. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 6 are 36, 6 7 are 42, 6 8 are 48 and just going on. Similarly, multiples of 7 also I can write. 7 1 are 7, 7 2 are 14, 7 3 are 21, 7 4 are 28, 7 5 are 30, 5 7 6 are 42, 7 7 are 49 and just going on. Just you observe that. Suppose I written a multiples. In this which one common I got? Only one here got. But if I return a multiple still again going on. Then again one more means many I will get as a common for it afterwards. Here I got a 42 42. Those now if I go writing multiples it is going on increasing. Then smallest multiple which one I will get? This only, those are the first one. So common multiple CM what I am getting 42 which is the first and which is the smallest. Actually common multiple 42 because I written table till here only. If you are increasing writing 11s are 12s are again if you are increasing one more again you will get. But the smallest it is 42. So least common multiple means LCM of this it is a 42. This is the one method to finding the LCM. But if I taken a factors, that horizontal factors, and if I did, now here 6 means it is divisible by 2, 2 3s are 6 and 7 it is like that. Now these are 3 1s are 3 and 7 it is, and then 7 1s are 7. Now these are factor I got. Actually 6 factor is what? 2 into 3 and 7 factor is what? 7 into 1. Are any in this common factor? Common factor only there is a 1. Uncommon factor. Uncommon factor. UCF means they are not common. Then which are not common? 2 is not common, 7 is not common, 3 is not common. Uncommon factors multiply by the common factor. So LCM how to find? LCM common factor only 1 multiply by uncommon factors product. 2 7s are 14 and 14 3s are 42. I got 42. Here also I got 42 by multiples writing, and here also I got. But for a writing multiples it is taking too much time to write. Means multiplication you have to write and then every you have to write, it is difficult. So another better method it is what? Factorization. So this method you have to use for finding the LCM. Then afterward I will one more sum I will show you. See, if the numbers are in their table, now suppose I want 15 and 45 multiples you have to find. I know in a 15 table 45 is there. The number which one is the greatest? If it is in that table, the greater number is the LCM. And if I want to find the HCF, then the smallest number it is the HCF. It is like that. Means I know 15 factor. If I written a horizontally, 5 3s are 15 and 1s are. And 45 factor is what? 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. These are the Then if I want a common factor is what? 5 and 3. 5 and 3 common factor. Uncommon factor is what? Uncommon factor there 3. Only 1 it is also here common. Uncommon it is a 3. Now if you want a SCF I am finding, then what I am getting? HCF only common factors product. Common factor product means 5 into 3 into 1 what I got? 15. And LCM is what? Common factor into uncommon is what? 1 3. So when I multiply 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are what I got? 45. So once again you check, means it is easily directly if you want find, if the numbers are there multiples each other, means they are in a table, the smallest number it is always the HCF and the greatest number it is always the LCM. It is like that. Even the least common multiple they are given, the word is least but the LCM always the more. And the highest common factor, if the word is highest but the HCF it is the smallest. It is like that only. What the use of HCF LCM, that next period we will see. So practice set 13, that LCM you have to find. Second question I just want to explain. In this what they say, two numbers are they given, you have to find HCF and LCM. Afterward what they are said, verify that their product is equal to the product of given number. Now in this, if I taken, so simple one I will take. Third, they said 15 and 16 HCF and LCF you find, and even you have to verify the formula it is there. What is the formula? The product of LCM into HCF, it is always getting the product of two numbers. Means the which two numbers, those numbers you are finding LCM and HCF their product and that numbers product. Means first I have to find a 15 and 16. Just now I said in 15 table 60 is there. So smallest number here what I will get? HCF 50 and LCM what I will get? 60. Then 15 into 60 same I am getting the product also, it is 15 into 62 numbers it is there. Now you may be here confused that okay another different numbers we will take. Suppose the number last question it is there from that 78 and 104. So 78 and 104 factorize we will find. I know they are even number, 2 3s are 6 and 2 9s are 18. Here 2 5s are 10 and 2 2s are 4. Now 39 it is addition 7 and here 3 9 39 12. It is divisible by 3 but this one it is not divisible by 3. Then first I will divide by 2 only. 39 as it is I am writing. 2 2s are 4 and 2 6 are 12. Now this is once again it is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are. Now it is not divisible by 2 but 13 table 39 is there, so I will divide by 39. 39 3s and 39 1s are, and so 3 1s are 3 1s are. These are the factor. Now I will write a factor. 78 is factor what? 2 into 13 into 3. 13 3s are 39 and 39 2s are 78. And 104 what the factors are there? 2 into 2 into 2 into 13. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 13s are 104. Our HCF you just find out HCF. First common factor I will find. Common factor here 2 are there and 13 are there. Then 2 and 13. Uncommon factor which are there, then 3 2 2. 3 2 2. So HCF what I am getting? Common factor product means 2 into 13, 13 2s are 26. And LCM it is what? Common factor once you have to take, and uncommon which are there 3 into 2 into 2, their product you have to take. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 and then 24 13s are. 13 4 जा 52, 2 5 carry, 13 2 जा 26, 26 plus 5 31. So what I am got? 312. Now what is our formula? Formula what I said, HCF into LCM, which is equal to product of two numbers. So you will do HCF, it is mine 26 multiply by 312, what I am getting, and product of two numbers also you have to do. First we will check what the product is here. 312 multiply by the 26. Now see, 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are 6 and 7, 6 3s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2, here 11, here 11 and 8. What I got the answer? 8112. Now product of two numbers. Product of two numbers, it is what? Product which two numbers are taken? 78 and 104. So we will check are their product it is getting or not. 104 multiplying by 78. 8 4s are 32, 3 carry, 8 zeros are 3, 8 1s are 8 0, 7 4s are 28, 2 carry, 0s are 2 and 7 1s are 7. Here 2, here 11, 1 got here 11 and 8. 8 1 1 2 I got same 8102. So this is the verification. Understood? This way you have to do. This question number second, first one just only LCM you have to find, but in a second question you have to find LCM, HCF and check are LCM, HCF product and their product are going to same, then they are correct. Understood? So today we will stop here. This practice set you have to do. We will continue for the next time. Okay, goodbye.